Okay. This is obviously some kind of an answer to the challenge that was unsaid by Doublewidesix. Bob from Doublewidesix, he did this. He came out with just his blue coat on and did a maintenance on some kind of a piece of equipment, I don't know. But this is the auto pulse desulfator that I got from Claus. You might have seen me just doing the unboxing, and now we're just going to do a demo on the auto desulfator. Unfortunately, this feels pretty weird. But anyway, this is for you, Bob. I owe you one. But this coat, the shop coat is, do you notice it's clean? Clean, huh? And I did the laundry myself today. So anyway, good on you, Bob. Thanks for the fun, and we'll get to testing this setup here with the auto desulfator. It's just on charge now, and we're just making sure everything's up to snuff before we use this auto pulse desulfator. So Lordy, the things that we do to have fun. But you know, this is what it's all about. We're still in the range of the pandemic right now, and we have to have some fun out there, guys. Good, clean fun. I mean, I'm clean. So talk to you later, and thanks, Bob, for the inspiration for I'm not sure what. Bye. All right. Full disclosure, I got this from Claus from Denmark. It's a battery desulfator, but it didn't come with any instructions. The battery here showed 12.3 volts, so I thought it would be enough to run this. There's no power supply on this. This does this thing from the power inside the battery. But now, I read the instructions online, so I'm just going to charge this baby up overnight. I'm going to use the auto feature. It should be charged up, you know, in 12 hours it should be good. And we should be sitting at least, like down here, you can come down to battery capacity, and it says 70 already, so we should be good. And then I'm going to put the desulfator on there, because this is an 8-year-old battery that I've had for my little John Deere since I got it new. So there we are, the full story. You heard it on Bruce Pender TV. Thanks, Claus. Okay, so this is my little battery now, tractor battery. I am going to, it's at 13.6 volts. I'm going to disconnect the leads for the battery charger, and I'm going to connect the leads for the desulfator. It's alright. And it should start beeping and doing stuff on its own here. Oh, look at that, 13.9, so that's close. C12 means that it's 12 volts. And it should start beeping. Pretty high frequency, I can hardly hear that. But it is pulsing. So if I can revive this little battery, I know exactly how it works. It still starts the tractor, but it doesn't hold a charge as long as it used to. So this would be kind of fun. I don't know how long to leave it. There's no instructions on that. So I'll just come back maybe tonight at 8 o'clock and then again tomorrow morning. And I used to have a set, you know, the 100 amp toaster battery chargers, testers. I used to have one of those, but it broke a wire inside. I threw it out. Thanks, guys. Okay. It's been 15 minutes. I just had a couple of things to do, and it's still pulsing away. Alright, hi guys, back on the experiment. We're still pulsing. The light is going off, however more often now. So I'm going to get my meter. Because this thing runs on its own juice, it has to drop the voltage of the battery to a level, right? So there's my meter. And I expect it to be down to 12.2 or 11 or something like that. 12.06. 12.15. That meter's over there. So now I'm going to disconnect this. It's been going for a whole day. I don't know what it's supposed to do. Does it stop beeping or whatever? I have no idea. Now we're going to do an open circuit voltage on this. 12, oh, it's gained a little bit, 1/10 of a volt, 12.21. So let's get the battery charger connected back up. What side's positive? I'm positive that this one's negative. And we plug this in. And if it's down a bit, it should start showing a charge. .5 volts. Let's crank her up. Let's throw a little juice at it. 13. Yeah, so it's... I have to force it up to 14 volts. I'm going to give it a good kick. I'm going to leave it like that for a little while. So 14.8 volts, 8 amps. Oh, and what does the battery say? 90%. So we'll just leave it at that. That's a nice little charger. It also has desulfating programming here, but not as aggressive as, pardon me, as this little doodarooski right here. There. I'll turn you off. Hope I don't turn you guys off. Okay. Auto pulse desulfator has been is back on charge, and this is the first time that it's gone to full. This is without a word of a lie, guys. Anyway, says it's full. I know that battery's charged up. Let's just take a voltage reading of that. .13 something because it's been idle. Okay, what are we at? 13.33.